This is our yard. Oops. Here is our yard. The corn across the way. Look at the trees. Look at the wind blowing the trees. There's the lawnmower waiting to be driven. And here's our porch. Is it beautiful? This is a wreath. Here's the swing. And there are the rockers at the end of the porch. Is that nice? Yes, it is.